certainly, if you buy a piece of property that has the mineral rights with it, I think it's a good idea. And certainly from my perspective, I always try to hold on to those. Even right now, there's not a lot of value. And certainly, if you paid just for the value of the surface rights, and then the person you're selling it to is really only interested in the surface, you definitely should keep the mineral rights and hold on to them, in case something happens in the future. There's obviously some things you need to be aware of. Again, back to the dormant mineral statutes, you may have to do some certain things to be able to protect or retain those rights. But there's, the thing in that you may find, and certainly in areas that have a lot of oil and gas activity, is those minerals may have been severed already. Or the surface owner is savvy and they want to retain those, and so you may not get them. But it certainly can be done. And you could, if you're in that situation where you find a piece of property and the minerals are included, it makes a lot of sense to me to sever those, either through get with your attorney to get specific advice for your situation, but that can be done a couple of different ways, whether you do it beforehand or you do it as part of the deed that conveys the surface, but you retain the minerals. You just have to be explicit one way or another when you do that, and your attorney can help you.